absorbed into formal jobs, both in the private and public sector. Labor migration, therefore, is a critical component of our socio-economic development, benefiting both Kenya and counties that welcome our workers. As the Minister has said ably, this is the reason why we continue to negotiate bilateral labor agreements to facilitate safe and orderly labor migration, protecting Kenyan workers' rights and facilitating their access to international job markets. We are at the advanced stage of concluding several bilateral labor agreements with many countries, including the UK, Germany, Austria, Saudi Arabia, among others. Every Kenyan worker has the right to fair pay and a safe workplace. The 2024 Social Protection Bill, approved by Cabinet in January, underscores our dedication to address gaps in social protection, including fragmented legislation, coordination issues, and funding shortages. We are committed to enforcing labor laws and engaging in ongoing social dialogues with unions and workers to uphold their rights. Like every other right, labor rights should align with the public interest and the economy's sustainable financial capacity. Social dialogues aim to enhance mutual benefit and shared interests, recognizing our collective goal of advancing Kenya's welfare. While the right to undertake industrial action is enshrined in the Constitution and labor laws, it must be exercised responsibly with due regard to the well-being of the public, and I urge all parties involved to act in good faith and prioritize the interests of our citizens. Respect for court orders is paramount, and adherence to the legal processes is essential in resolving disputes effectively. We need to tighten our belts and live within our means as a country in order to make more resources available to manage our economic challenges and to invest in goods and services that benefit all, not just some citizens. It is neither just, proper, nor reasonable for any group to make demands that run counter to this imperative, elevate their claims above legitimate benchmarks, or exceed our economic capacity. I want to urge workers, including our daughters and sons who are doctors, that as social partners